Hi, this is Sharon Lim, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're using the Cake Celebrations stamp set and dies to make this diamond fun fold. And so let's get started. You're going to need a card base that says 4 1/4 by 10 1/2, scored at 5 1/2 and 8 1/4. And then you mark the end, the center of the end, which is 2 1/8. And you cut from that last score up to that mark you make. 2 pieces of DSP, one that is 4 5 1/4. Where's my label for that? There you go. And DSP 2 by 4. 2 pieces of basic white that is a 2 3/4 square, so 2 of those. Coordinating cardstock, which is Pretty Peacock 3 by 3, and then I cut some die pieces from the set. So let's get started. Let me get the measurements out of the way. Alright, so first things first, we're going to fold along this score, which is half, and then fold back. Just like that. Then we're going to put some glue only on the triangle part. And match this to here. Make sure the corners are matched. And that's our fun fold here. Then I'm going to get a new glue I think I need. Go ahead and glue the big DSP for the inside. Let's do it this way. Made it so it'll have a slight frame. This one goes in the front behind the fun fold. Let's do this direction. And let's go ahead and decorate the cake. I love the pieces that looks like frosting. And then 2 stripes here. Oops. So it looks like layers. And then this cake stand will go, since it's a diamond shaped diagonally. And then let me get my candles and flame. So this is where the cake is. So I'm gonna make the candles here, just using it as reference. And yep, that'll work. And then the flames, they coordinate, which is really cool. Or what I mean by the flames go on top of them, exactly tall and short. Then let's go ahead and adhere. I'm going to move my frosting up a little bit. There we go. So it looks like the cake's actually on the stand. Actually, you could dimension them too, if you like. If you want the cake part to pop up. And then for fun, we put this piece in the same direction but inside, like here. Doing my best to match, just so it's a surprise. And then I used the happy birthday, and I placed them already ready. That's how I did it for my class, so there was no need for anybody to line things up. It was already lined up. So we'll ink the happy and the birthday, and then it'll fit perfectly here. And that's it. What do you think? Ta-da! So here's that one. Here's the one I showed you. Thanks for letting me share this with you. If you like these video tutorials, please like, comment, and share. And if you want to get notifications, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification button so you'll know when I have a new video for you. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.